You won't like this present as much as I do. A Charlie and Lola book by Lauren Child. My name is Charlie. I have this little sister Lola. She is small and very funny. This is Lola. Her friend is called Lotta. Lola also has an imaginary friend called Soren Lorentzen. One day, my little sister Lola says, "Charlie, I have some money to get my friend Lotta a really good birthday present." "What will you get?" I say. Lola says, "An actual, real pony." I say, "But you don't have the money for a real pony, and Lotta's home is too small." I say, "What about something useful to play with?" Lola says, "A musical skipping rope would be good." I say. "What about wings so Lotta can fly just like a butterfly?" Lola says. But I say, "Lola, butterfly wings are not a real present. You must choose something real." We go to the toy shop. In the shop, Lola says, "I can choose something very good here. I have to see it all first. I will be a very long time." Then Lola says, "Look, a doctor kit. I have always wanted one, and it is a useful toy because one day I may be a doctor in an actual hospital." "But Lola," I say, "we're here to get Lotta a birthday present." "But Charlie, I really want this," says Lola. "I can get this for me and another present for Lotta." I say, "But you will only have a little money left. Lotta's present will have to be very small." "Lotta will really love this very small ball," says Lola. I say, "But you wanted to get Lotta something really good, not just a small ball." "Lotta will not love the doctor kit as much as I do," says Lola. I say, "Lotta will really love the doctor kit too." Says Lola. Lola says, "I can actually see us playing doctors." I will say, "Don't worry, all you ill people. I am a doctor. I can make you well." Lotta will say, "So can I." Lola says, "Charlie, you are right. I will get this present for Lotta." I say, "That is good, Lola. She will love it." At home, Lola wants her imaginary friend Soren Lorentzen to see Lotta's present. "We can just unwrap it a little," Lola says. Soren Lorentzen says, "I don't think we should." Lola says, "Just one little look." "Well, now it is all unwrapped. We could play with it," says Lola. Soren Lorentzen, "You are ill at the hospital, but I can make you well because I am a doctor." When I go in, I say, "Lola, you have unwrapped Lotta's present." Lola says, "It was an accident." I say, "It's not right to play with Lotta's present." Lola says, "I could have it. Lotta may not like it." "But it was for her," I say. Lola says, "You are right. Will you help me wrap it again?" When we get to Lotta's house, she says, "Lola, is that present for me?" "Yes, it is actually for you. Happy birthday," says Lola. Lotta says, "A doctor kit! I really wanted one. Thank you, Lola." Lola says, "It has bandages and a coat." Lotta says, "I will put the coat on now." "Look, we are actual doctors," said Lola. "Dr. Lotta, is Charlie ill?" Lotta says, "He has had an accident. He must have a bandage." I say, "What a good present." Lola says, "Yes, I choose presents very well."